When it comes to choosing new windows, Covington homeowners want options that balance durability, comfort, and long-term value. Vinyl windows have become one of the most popular window choices for homes in the area, and for good reason. Designed to handle changing weather conditions while requiring minimal upkeep, vinyl windows offer reliable performance that fits the needs of Covington households. Built to handle Covington's climate, Covington experiences a mix of warm temperatures, humidity, and seasonal changes. Vinyl windows are designed to perform well in these conditions without warping, cracking, or deteriorating over time. Unlike some materials that expand or contract noticeably with temperature changes, vinyl maintains its shape and structural integrity. For Covington homeowners, this stability means consistent performance year after year. Strong resistance to moisture and humidity. Moisture can be a major concern for windows, especially in areas with regular rain or humidity. Vinyl is naturally resistant to moisture, making it less prone to rot or corrosion. In Covington homes, vinyl windows help protect against water-related damage, ensuring frames stay strong and functional without the need for constant maintenance. Low-maintenance convenience. One of the biggest reasons homeowners choose vinyl windows is their low-maintenance nature. Vinyl frames do not require painting, staining, or sealing. For Covington families, this means fewer chores and less time spent on upkeep. A simple cleaning routine is usually enough to keep vinyl windows looking and functioning well. Consistent indoor comfort. Vinyl windows are designed with insulated frames and tight seals that help regulate indoor temperatures. By reducing air leaks, they help keep conditioned air inside the home. For Covington homeowners, this translates into more consistent indoor comfort throughout the year, whether it's warm or cool outside. Long-lasting performance. Vinyl windows are built for longevity. Their durable construction resists everyday wear and tear, making them a dependable choice for busy households. In Covington homes, vinyl windows maintain smooth operation and solid performance even after years of use. Versatile style options. Vinyl windows are available in a wide range of styles, sizes, and finishes. Whether a home has a traditional or modern design, vinyl windows can complement its appearance. For Covington homeowners, this versatility makes it easy to find windows that enhance curb appeal without sacrificing durability. Reliable insulation properties. Vinyl frames naturally provide good insulation, helping reduce heat transfer between indoors and outdoors. In Covington residences, this insulation supports energy efficiency and contributes to a comfortable living environment. Easy integration with replacement projects. Vinyl windows are well suited for both new installations and replacement projects. Their flexibility allows for precise sizing and fitting. For Covington homeowners upgrading older windows, vinyl options provide a smooth transition with reliable results. Professional installation enhances reliability. While vinyl windows are durable by design, professional installation ensures they perform at their best. Proper alignment and sealing maximize their reliability. In Covington homes, expert installation helps vinyl windows deliver long-term comfort and protection. A dependable investment for Covington homeowners. Vinyl windows offer a combination of durability, moisture resistance, low maintenance, and comfort that makes them a reliable choice for Covington homes. With the right installation and design, they provide lasting performance and peace of mind, making them a smart investment for homeowners who value reliability and long-term value.